Hello everyone, and welcome to my networking topologies video. In this short video, I hope that I can briefly teach you something about networking topologies. In this video, I'm going to be covering a few things such as what are networking topologies, a few types of networking topologies, which are the tree, the star, and the bus, and some personal further reading recommendations I have for you. So, firstly, what are networking topologies, or what is a networking topology? Basically, a networking topology, simply put, is the arrangement or design of what a network is going to look like. It consists of lines representing cables usually, primary nodes which are going to be the hub, switch, or the router connecting the network usually. And also some secondary nodes such as the PC, printer, or server. The images seen below here from left to right are a few types of topologies. These are the peer-to-peer, bus topology, ring topology, and the star topology. So, moving on to our first type of topology here, the bus topology. The bus topology is a network type which is very commonly seen in small businesses or just a very small office in general. It has one main cable which connects the entire network together, and this main cable connects servers, workstations together, printers, and it can be used in, again, very small offices or a small business. Some advantages to having a bus topology is that it is very cheap to set up and quite easy to expand because you can just simply connect another connection onto the main cable. However, on the other hand, some disadvantages of the bus topology is that if the main cable fails, the entire network will go down. So, moving on to our second type of topology here, the star topology. The star topology is when all the secondary nodes are connected onto the primary nodes, seen in the middle here, which is the hub or switch. It's used in a medium-sized network or a medium-sized office for one team or one department in a business. Some advantages to using a star topology is that the hub can be upgraded quite easily, and it's quite easy to troubleshoot. On the other hand, though, the performance of the entire network is solely based on the hub or the central node. So if the hub or switch or router is outdated, then you will have some performance issues within the network. And also, if the central node or hub fails, then the entire network fails. Now, moving on to our final type, which is the tree topology. It's usually seen as a mesh between the bus and star topology because it has and it also works on a hierarchy-based system. This kind of topology is used in a wide area network or a very large business network. So for example, like large companies or law firms would use a tree topology, just as an example here. Some advantages to having a tree topology is that the error detection within a tree topology is very easily done, and also expanding the tree topology is very easily done as well. However, some disadvantages to this kind of topology is that the costs are very high. It's quite expensive to install and set up, and it's also heavily cabled. So if you're looking to possibly turn your network into a wireless network, it's going to be very hard to transfer all that information, or just or just completely change the network from a cable network to a wireless one. And finally, the further reading section. These are some personal links that I would recommend if you want to learn more about networking topologies or just find out and discover the different types of networking topologies. So moving on here. Yep, and now we've come to the end of the video. Thank you all so much for your time and watching my video, and I really hope you've learned something about networking topologies. And goodbye.